Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have an amazing, delicious seafood dinner recipe that you guys are going to love all summer long. I'll be making my lemon herb salmon on a cedar plank. And this salmon has so much incredible flavor. It has a smokiness from the cedar plank, the zesty lemon, those amazing herbs. And today I'm also going to be preparing it on my Traeger grill, and I'm going to get even more smoky flavor from the wood pellets. I'm going to make some asparagus on the grill as well, and it's just going to be permeated with that great smoky flavor. I'm going to leave all the details about the grill down in the video description box below, along with the recipe. And now let's get to grilling. I'm going to start with my flavored butter first. I've melted half a cup of unsalted butter. I'm going to add to that 3 finely minced garlic cloves and about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill. Add the zest from 1 large lemon. And I'm going to finely mince 1 tablespoon of capers. And I'll add in a teaspoon of salt, a little ground black pepper, and then just stir this all together. So while I'm preparing my salmon, I'm actually going to place this into the refrigerator and let that butter thicken up. Just keep it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. And moving on to our salmon, I have this gorgeous 2.5 pound filet. I'm going to skin it, section it, place it onto my cedar planks, which I've had soaking for at least 30 minutes. You can also prepare this fish with the skin on. You don't have to cut it up if you don't want to. Just place the full piece onto a cedar plank, season it, and then onto the grill. So I like to take the skin off for my salmon recipes. My husband loves the skin, but I'm not a really big fan of it. So I'm going to grab a sharp knife and just start at one end. Just kind of create like a little handle, if you will. Just kind of slide it along the fillet. All done. And this 2.5 pound filet will make at least 6 to 7 serving pieces. So you can always cut this recipe down and use a smaller filet for less servings. And I'm going to season the salmon with a little bit of salt before I get it on that cedar plank. And then transfer your salmon onto your cedar planks. Take out that butter that has chilled in the refrigerator. And you see how it's thickened up, and it's so much easier to kind of apply it to the top. It's not running down onto the board, which is exactly what we need. Just gonna add a generous layer right on top of each piece. And today I'll be serving my salmon with some grilled asparagus. I washed it, cut off the hard fibrous ends. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil into my pan, season this with some salt, and add a little bit of lemon zest. It's going to add so much great flavor to the asparagus. And time to get our grill preheated. Today I'm using my Traeger grill. It's a wood pellet grill, so it's a smoker and a grill in one, and it infuses your food with the most incredible flavor. And if you'll be using your Traeger grill at home, I have it set on the smoke set first. I'm going to smoke it for about 20 minutes, and then I'll turn it up to the high, so it'll be about 425 degrees, and let the salmon finish cooking. And my cedar planks and salmon are going on to the grill. Now, if you're using a conventional grill, you want to have it preheated to about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can also serve this salmon with other grilled veggies such as Brussels sprouts, zucchini, or even some sweet bell peppers. And this salmon and asparagus are already smelling so good. After smoking for 20 minutes, I'm gonna crank that temperature up and let it finish cooking about another 20 minutes. If you're using a conventional grill, it's going to take about 22 to 24 minutes total. And that's it for this impressive salmon recipe. And let me tell you guys, so aromatic. You can actually just smell the smokiness from the Traeger grill wood pellets, and that cedar plank just looks absolutely amazing. Time to dig in and enjoy this. I love the topping on here as well. Wow, this salmon is just so incredible. Absolute favorite way to enjoy it during the summer months when I could throw it on my Traeger grill. It has that smokiness, the flavor from the wood pellets, also from the cedar plank, and it's just so I don't know, amazing. It's zesty, it's flavorful, it's juicy, flaky, everything. And this asparagus is really good too. It has a nice crunch to it. It has a little bit of zestiness from the lemon zest. If you guys want an incredible salmon recipe, this is the one. Just head down into my video description box. I've left a link there for all the information about my Traeger grill. Also a link for this amazing recipe that I know you guys are going to just love. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this grilling recipe all summer long.